In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sent email in Outlook. If you've ever hit send and spotted a typo or left out a file, there is a built-in way to recall the message and replace it with a corrected version, provided the original hasn't been opened yet. This works in classic Outlook on Windows and is most reliable when you and the recipient are on the same Microsoft 365 or Exchange system. If the message has already been read, or the recipient uses a different email platform, recall may not succeed, but it's worth trying when speed matters. Start by opening Classic Outlook, the desktop app. Go to your Sent Items folder so you can see the message you just sent. Instead of clicking it once in the reading pane, double-click the email to open it in its own window. This is important because the recall options only appear when the message is opened separately. With that window active, go to the File tab in the top left, then choose Info. Look for the Resend or Recall button and select it. From the options that appear, choose Delete Unread Copies and replace with a new message, then click OK. Outlook will create a replacement draft based on your original. Now make your edits. 6. Text, adjust the subject if needed, and attach any missing files. Keep your corrections clear so the recipient understands what changed. When you are satisfied, click Send. Outlook will attempt to delete the unread copy from the recipient's mailbox and deliver your updated version instead. A couple of practical notes to set expectations. Recall only targets unread copies. If someone has already viewed the original, it can't be pulled back. Depending on your organization's settings, you may receive a notification indicating whether the recall succeeded. Also, if you sent the email to multiple recipients, recall can succeed for some and fail for others. It's handled per minute mailbox. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.